Welcome, everyone! Our hearts tirelessly beat thousands of times daily, ensuring our vitality. Yet, modern lifestyles often stress our hearts, increasing disease risks. Luckily, our bodies signal heart stress. Today, let's explore 7 subtle signs of an unhealthy heart. Early recognition can avert severe issues. Number 1. Shortness of breath and easy fatigue. These symptoms often indicate an inefficient heart function that affects the delivery of oxygenated blood to the body's tissues. When the heart can't pump effectively, it reduces the circulation of oxygen-rich blood, leading to fatigue and breathlessness, even with minimal exertion. 2. Elevated blood pressure. Hypertension, or high blood pressure, occurs when the force of blood against the artery walls is consistently too high. This strains the heart, making it pump harder to circulate blood throughout the body. Over time, this increased workload thickens the heart's left ventricle, causing it to become larger and stiffer, which can lead to heart failure. Additionally, it can damage arteries, making them less elastic and more prone to narrowing, which further raises blood pressure and risks for heart issues. 3. Pale or bluish skin. Reduced blood flow or oxygen deprivation can cause the skin to appear pale or bluish, cyanosis. This discoloration indicates poor circulation or oxygenation, signaling potential heart or lung issues. 4. Trouble sleeping soundly. Fluid buildup in the lungs, often due to heart failure, can cause difficulty breathing when lying down. This is known as orthopnea and can lead to frequent nighttime awakenings and disrupted sleep due to shortness of breath. Propping up pillows or using multiple pillows might alleviate this symptom temporarily. 5. Swelling in legs and feet. Known as edema, this swelling occurs when fluid accumulates in the body's tissues due to a compromised heart's ability to pump blood effectively. When the heart struggles, blood can pool in the legs and feet, leading to swelling. 6. High cholesterol levels. Elevated LDL, low-density lipoprotein. Cholesterol can accumulate in the arteries, forming plaques that narrow and harden them. These blockages reduce blood flow to the heart, increasing the risk of heart attack or stroke. It impairs heart function by limiting the supply of oxygenated blood to the heart muscle. 7. Dizziness or lightheadedness. These symptoms often arise due to reduced blood flow to the brain, which can occur when the heart isn't functioning optimally. A drop in blood pressure or inadequate blood flow to the brain can result in dizziness or lightheadedness. Additionally, overt symptoms of heart disease include chest pain, burning sensations, left arm pain, nausea, sweating, irregular pulse, and sudden weakness. Seek immediate medical attention if you experience any of these signs. Remember to prioritize heart-healthy lifestyle choices, regular checkups, and prompt action when needed. Your heart, when cared for properly, ensures a lifetime of vitality. Please don't forget to subscribe for more content.